Welcome. In this video, we're going to learn how to reset all notifications on Telegram. If your chats, groups, or channels are sending too many alerts, or you simply want to start fresh, this quick guide will help you bring everything back to default in just a few steps. So let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so that all the options are available and up to date. Once the app is open, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the menu icon that's the 3 horizontal lines. Tap on that to open the main menu. From the list that appears, tap on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all the options for your account, privacy, and notifications. Once inside, look for the section called Notifications and Sounds. Tap on it to open your full list of alert preferences. Here, you'll see all the detailed settings that control how Telegram notifies you for messages, groups, channels, and calls. You can fine-tune things individually if you want, but in this case, we're aiming for a complete reset. So, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you spot the option that says Reset All Notifications. Now, tap on Reset All Notifications. Telegram will ask you to confirm your choice. Go ahead and confirm. This will restore all your notification settings to their original defaults, clearing out any custom preferences you may have set over time. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Telegram notifications. From this point, everything will behave just like it did when you first installed the app, giving you a clean slate to manage your alerts your way. If this video helped you, take a second to like it and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.